Hi guys, today we are going to be getting it all done. We're going to be doing some cleaning, of course. I went grocery shopping, so I'm going to be disinfecting everything and putting it away in my newly cleaned fridge. I'm also going to be tackling some laundry and folding it and putting it away for you guys because, of course, there's always laundry to do. So if you guys need some motivation to get some things done today, make sure you keep watching. And without further ado, let's get started. So I had just gotten back from the grocery store, so of course I wanted to bring all my groceries in, and I put them on my counter. And then once I brought them all in, I gave my hands a quick wash, because of all of the sickness going around. I just want to be extra careful. Before I got to disinfecting and putting away the groceries, I wanted to start a quick load of laundry so that could run while I did everything else. So I just took out all the blacks and threw that load in, as well as some undergarments, and I let that run. And then I went back in the kitchen and I took everything out of the bags and put it on my countertop, which I had already disinfected with my Purell multi-surface cleaner, which you guys have heard me talk about in every video because I literally love it because it only takes 30 seconds to sit before it disinfects. So I sprayed that on, cleaned my counters, and then took everything out of the bags, put the bags on the ground, and then I go into my process of disinfecting the products. If you guys are more curious about how I disinfect and what I do after I get home from the grocery store, definitely check out my quarantine grocery routine video. I will link it down below in the description box. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, it would really help my channel out if you gave this video a thumbs up. And while you're over there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications to get notified every time I upload on Monday and Thursday for all of my cleaning, organizing, and decluttering related videos. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys are getting done today and tackling while you're watching this video. So as I was putting my groceries away, I realized that my freezer was pretty dirty and I never actually deep cleaned it. I deep cleaned my fridge but never my freezer. So what I did was I took everything out, which I didn't end up showing, but I took everything out, gave it a quick wipe down, and then reorganized it, and I'm just happy with how it turned out. And I feel much better putting my food in there now that it's not all gross. So this was what it looked like in the end, and it's not super crazy, but it is organized and I'm happy about it. And now I'm just going to put everything away that goes in the pantry. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing here, I'm just quickly showing you guys how I upload my receipts to get some cash back. I use this app called Ibotta, and you get cash back for buying certain products if you upload your receipt. So you just take a picture of it, scan your items, and then submit it. And like it says here, I ended up getting $2.70 back, which should be credited to my account within 24 hours. I actually usually get it before the 24 hours, but that's how easy it is to get cash back on your everyday purchases. So if you guys are curious about it, I will link my link down below. I think there's a $20 referral bonus, so you guys will get $20 after redeeming your first offer, which is awesome. So definitely check it out. After all the groceries are put away, I decided to take a break and take my doggy on a walk. We've been trying to go on a walk every single day since it's getting nice out, and he really enjoys it, so that's what we did. And then I came back and I started vacuuming my room, Now you might be wondering what all this stuff is on the floor, and it's actually for an upcoming video, which I will show you guys a preview of it right here. I'm going to be making care packages for some family and friends during quarantine using some of my stockpile items, which if you guys saw my last video, then you already know that. But here's just a sneak peek of what's going to be up in that video. I'm organizing my products before I get to making the actual baskets, and it was a ton of fun doing this. I'm still in the process of finishing them, but I'm excited to share that video with you guys. So definitely subscribe and be on the lookout for that. So you guys already know I love my Dyson for vacuuming, but I've been noticing lately that it doesn't pick up cat litter very well. Like you will see right here, it literally just falls out like when I move my vacuum after vacuuming cat litter, which is so annoying. So I have to like re-vacuum it and then like carry it over to the trash before it all falls out. And I don't understand that because this is literally like the pet version. So it's kind of annoying. But I guess, you know, I gotta deal with it. Other than that, I really love my Dyson, but that just ends up being a pain. So I end up just having to sweep the cat litter as much as I can because the vacuum doesn't do a very good job at picking it up. I didn't feel like bringing out my mop and mopping the whole floor, so I just used my Swiffer and I just did the front area by the front door and then my kitchen area because those were the two worst areas, and then I will eventually get around to doing a full mop, but this will have to do for now. And then I have this Amazon package that I've had sitting by my door. Like I brought it in like days ago and I've never opened it or unpacked it. So this is what I ended up doing finally. I had some dog food and cat food that I needed to put away. So I put my dog food in one drawer and then the cat food in one drawer. And I just had to put that away, and then we will get to some laundry. So I had 2 loads of laundry to fold really quick, and they're not even large loads because I have kind of a small washer, so can't even fit that much in there. So it doesn't take me too long. But of course my dog was sleeping on the bed. He was not going to move, so I had to kind of work around him. But yeah, just doing a quick load, and then I'm going to put some of the clothes away, and I will show you kind of how I do that. After I kind of decluttered and cleaned out my closet in my last video, I'm just so much happier with it. I feel like I'm not so claustrophobic when I walk in, and I'm a little more OCD now about keeping it in order. As you guys can see, I'm like fixing the hangers. I don't know why it was bothering me, but it was, so I had to like straighten them out and fix them to make sure they were like at least kind of equally separated. I know, I sound like a crazy person, but it looks so good. I just can't help it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning, organizing, and decluttering content. And I will talk to you guys on Monday for another video. Bye.